In this video, I'm going to show you how to make animated stories with ChatGPT images in a simple step-by-step way. This is a great method if you want to create story content, visual scenes, or short animated style story ideas without needing advanced editing skills. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app. Once it loads, go to the message box and type your story request clearly. In this case, you want to generate a story about a 12-year-old boy and a 10-year-old girl. Make sure your instruction is simple and direct so ChatGPT understands exactly what you want. You can type something like, "Generate a story about a 12-year-old boy and a 10-year-old girl," and make it clear. Then press enter and let ChatGPT create the story for you. After the story is generated, read through it and decide which part you want to turn into an image. This is the part that helps you turn text into a visual scene. Next, type a prompt asking ChatGPT to generate an image. Be specific about the characters, the scene, the mood, and any important details you want included. The clearer your prompt is, the better the image result will be. Now comes the next step. Click on the plus icon in ChatGPT. This is usually where you can add or paste your prompt, depending on the version you're using. Once you click it, paste the image prompt into the box. Make sure the prompt matches the story scene you want to visualize. If needed, you can refine the prompt to make the image look more detailed, colorful, or animated. After that, submit the prompt and wait for the image generation to complete. Once the image is ready, you can use it as part of your animated story workflow. You can repeat this process for different scenes in the story, generating multiple images for each important moment. This makes your final story much more engaging and visually appealing. The best part is that you can keep building your story scene by scene. First, generate the story, then create image prompts from the story, and then add those prompts into ChatGPT using the plus icon. By doing this, you can create a full visual story sequence with very little effort. So that's the full process for making animated stories with ChatGPT images. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and a great way to bring your ideas to life. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share the video with someone who wants to create story content more easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.